Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Our chapter is plant coordination, and we are discussing about the tropical response. So far, we've covered some of them. So today we'll finish up discussing the last one. That is the Thigmotropism, or also known as the Haptotropism. So we'll start with the meaning of this. Thigmotropism just refers to the non-directional movements which take place neither towards nor away from the stimulus. So this is the other tropical response expressed or shown by the plants, whereby it refers just to non-directional movements, whereby the plants they move without showing any direction where they want to move, or just any part of the plant does not show exactly where is it want to move from, or just away, or just toward. So the one that takes place just neither towards or away from the stimulus, so it does not show the change of direction, or just any effect or just away or toward from the given stimulus. The best example of this nastic movement is folding in the dropping of the leaves of the mimosa pudica plant when the leaves are touched with fingers or just any object. So that's the one example of the Thigmotropism shown by the Mimosa pudica plant, whereby its leaves, when they are touched with fingers or just any object, they tend to fold or just drop off. So that's one example of this. The leaves just fold when also they are swayed about by wind. So a wind can cause the leaves also to fold. So that's how they portray, or how they show this kind of a tropical response. Uh, Also, the specialized touch sensitive tendrils of the many these vining plants, such as the pear, will tend just to bend toward the side receiving a touch stimulus. So that's the other example shown by these many vining plants. Continuous stimulation, it can also lead to the coiling of the tendril and around an object, which it enables vining plants to grasp objects which they can climb. So that's the importance of this Thigmotropism shown by these vining plants, whereby the coiling just of their these tendril will just enable them just to climb around the other plants and grasp to those plants, or just to grasp the other objects. Now, this is just the illustration of this tropical response, the Thigmotropism, or also known as the Haptotropism. You can see it as here in this picture. It shows the Thigmotropism shown in these climbing tree plants, and also the Mimosa pudica plant leaves are responding to touch stimulus. As you can see, the pencil is used to touch the leaves here, and the leaves of this plant, they tend to fold. So that's how it is shown. This kind of a tropical response is shown by these plants. Now, after that, now let's see the importance of this tropical response, the importance of Thigmotropism. Yeah, some of them. The first one, that the Thigmotropism, it enables the growing plants just to climb up higher plants, as we've shown the example of what occurs. It enables these crawling plants just to climb up the higher plants. In a way, helps expose their leaves to sunlight for optimum photosynthesis. So without this tropical response, these growing plants, their leaves would have not maybe received optimum sunlight, and in a way they wouldn't perform well in terms of optimum photosynthesis. So that's why the presence of this tropical response, it enables these plants just to climb the higher plants and expose their leaves just to the sunlight to facilitate the photosynthesis. The other one, it enables the insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants, these are just plants that they eat various insects as source of nutrients, or just as food, such as the Venus flytrap. It trap the insects and digest them just to obtain the nutrients. So this kind of tropical response, it enables these plants just to sense when there's an insect. When it touches its leaves, then it consumes or it just traps those kinds of insects, and in a way it helps them to get the nutrients they require for growth and development. So that's all I have for this session of That's Clever. Thank you for listening. We discussed this last tropical response, the Thigmotropism. We've we've seen how it occurs with the various examples illustrated with some pictures, and then we've seen the importance of this thigmotropism. So that's clear, and